about some changes which have just come in from the department. So let's start. So regional areas. So what are the regional areas? So all Australia is regional area, except the Melbourne metro area, Sydney metro area, and the Brisbane metro area. So all other major cities like Adelaide, Darwin, or is it Perth, is all comes under a regional area. So it comes under the definition of the regional area. So this doesn't mean that they are like underdeveloped or anything, but it just means that there is less population, and there is some other criteria from which they judge that it is a regional area. So there are many universities and colleges available for huge number of courses, and ranging from certificate course like certificate level 2, 3 onwards up to masters or PhD research degrees. So you have quite a vast range there. Okay, so let's see what are the benefits of studying in the regional area. So what you get, like if you are moving to a regional area, what you will get a better study environment, as you are away from the city areas and the city stress. And the universities and colleges are giving you huge discounts if you are going for the regional area. So if you want to study in the regional area, you can get quite a bit of scholarship, which can help you out in paying your fees and everything. And the other thing which is the most important is that when you're applying for the permanent residency through 190 or 189 or 491 category, you will receive extra 5 points on that, on top of everything else. You'll receive 5 points because you have studied 2 years in a regional area. Right. Okay. So what else you got? You get, like, if you're applying for a 491 visa, then you will be your application will be prioritized. You will have better options to get permanent residency. Other thing which is most important, and the discussion topic today, which is that you will be getting 3 to 4 years of temporary residency, or 485 visa, which is a post-study visa when you study from the regional area. Right. Okay. So 3 to 4 years of TR. What does that mean? Okay. So the department has actually divided the regions, which the regional areas, into 2 categories, namely which are like cities and major regional centers, what they are called, and the regional centers and other regional areas. So what does that mean is, so there are like 3 tiers of cities, you can say. Like tier 1, in which like Sydney and Melbourne, you can't really get any benefit there apart from like a good infrastructure and studying there. Second tiers are these like the cities and the major regional areas. And the third tier is the deeper regional areas, which are like regional centers and the regional or other regional areas. So if you study in a major city center, like you are studying in Adelaide, you are studying in Perth, you are studying in Darwin, so what you will get is you'll be getting a 491. There are 25,000 seats available in the new financial year. Means they have not announced it, yes, but if we talk about the previous year, then of course there are up to 25,000 seats available. And you can access the vast list of occupations, like regional occupation list or STSL list. You can join in, and then there would be extra 1 year on the TR which you'll get. So if you are applying through these areas, if you have studies through this area, you will get an extra. So your TR period would be a 3-year period. Other than that, if you if you are studying from a regional centers or the other regional areas, which they are called, you can get whole list of the postcodes from the department website. And if you join our Facebook page, you can get the whole list of, like, you can distinguish between which are the city centers and which are the other regional areas, right? So regional centers and the other regional areas, what you get is that you get 25,000 places from where you can be one to get your permanent residency. You can again get STSOL and ROL lists of occupations. And the most important thing is that you can get 2 years of study, sorry, 2 years of 485 application, 2 years of 485 uh, you can get extra. So 2 plus 2, you will get 4 years in total. And then there is priority in the Dama visa as well. So if you are applying for a Dama visa after this study, you can get priority in this one too. Okay. So how the 49, let's talk about how the 491 visa pathway work towards the permanent residency. So as you know, 491 can be sponsored by the state or can be sponsored by the family. Um, it is a visa which you get for up to 5 years, and you stay in the regional area, and you need to earn $53,900 per annum to show to the department, and then you can apply for a 191 visa after 3 years time. Uh, so this criteria, like earning 53,900, can be you know can be done by any of the applicants. So your spouse can also do it. If you are main applicant on the 491 visa, then in the 191 visa, your spouse can be the main applicant. If he or she is earning 53,900, but you are not earning, then of course they can apply for this. All right, and then let's talk about this one. What 491 gives you? So 491 gives you unlimited work rights, of course, and you can bring up your family with you if you have not, applied them with with your initial application, or you get married after the application. You can bring in your family as well. So you can get medical facilities, like you are eligible to apply for interim Medicare card. And then other thing is that if you got children, then their education is highly subsidized on this one. Okay, so I will say that we'll answer the questions once we are finished with this thing. Like let me finish what I wanted to say, I wanted to discuss, and then of course we are good to answer the questions also. Okay, so the what are the apart from that, apart from the like the 491, there are some recent changes which we have got in the student visas application. So what recent changes we got? So if you have held or you had it like a student visa um, on 1st of February 2020, you can be eligible to apply for a student visa without any cost. Okay, so how does that work? So if you have held a student visa on 1st of February 2020, and then and you are applying for a new student visa past this date, past like 5th of August 2020. So you need to get a form. Form is called 1545 from your education provider. You need to get that form signed, and then you apply with that form with for the student visa. So you will not be charged like anything from the department. This facility is available only for those candidates, or only for those students who are affected by the effect of the coronavirus or COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. So if you are anyhow affected by this, and your studies are affected by this virus, because of this virus, then you can apply for the exemption from the fees. Right, and then also, like, we are here to help you out. What we are doing, we are doing a free student visa applications for you, and we are doing free consultations Free Nati classes we are doing in Hindi, Nepali, and Punjabi language. If you want the link, you can go to our Facebook page. You like our Facebook page, and you can also get the link from that page of our IELTS, PT, or Nati classes. You can join in. Many of people like you have already benefited from that. They have scored highly in their PT and NATI results. So if you want that, we can help you out. We can, we are still doing those IELTS and PT and NATI classes. You can join in, and we can help you out. All right. Okay. So let's. This is especially for our Melbourne office. Although we got like offices in Sydney, in Adelaide, in Queensland, like in Brisbane, but because our Melbourne office is, because of the government restriction, is working remotely at this time. So this session is also going remotely. So that's why there were some initial issues, because we are still learning about this remote working thing. All right. So what it is like, if you are in a Melbourne city and you want to get any consultation, please do call us on 03 9336 1318. If you if you can Google our CECA Melbourne, you can get the number from there as well. You can get the number from our Facebook page. You can call this number and book a free appointment with one of our consultants here, whether it is education consultation, or it is migration consultation. So consultations, of course, are free. We know we don't charge anything for those consultations. um, if you want, like, do call us and we can help you out in that situation. We are still working uh, from home, but yeah, we are there to help you. All right. Thanks for joining in. And if you have any questions, you can please let me know, and we can answer those questions. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So Silky wants to know that, hi, I am 42-year-old and doing diploma of early childhood last 6 months now. I want to change my course, so please suggest a reasonable fee course which lead to become matter. Okay, so Silky, if you want to discuss about the course, you can call our office, and we can discuss over the phone. I think it's not possible to discuss about your personal needs on this session. I won't advise it, but if you are more than welcome to call us, so that we can personally help you out to get the things which you want. All right. Okay. So all right. Okay. So Silky, if you can, you know, if you can call our office, we can help you out, definitely. Um, I think that's about it for our session. sorry, folks, if you means there was like bit of delay in the before we started. So we really apologize for that. But still, if you have any problems about your migration, do call our office. Thanks for joining in. Thank you.